All right, guys, back to the third video. I'm kind of like getting bursted. All right, now we are going to be designing this text field here, and this button, and this, and this, and this, and this. Oh God, there's a lot of shit to design. Okay, now I created this custom text field. I call it MCAD text field. Um, so it's going to be together with the source code of this project. And so what will happen? I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna get my M-test card field ready for this shit to go down. Alright. Alright. Back to the game. Now we are live again. Okay, I've set up my M card text field. As you can see, we said factory, the register. Remember, it's still the same from the KV factory, right? So we have this M card text field here. You are going to name it, tell it, hey, this is the name I want you to answer, right? And you're now saying, okay, where is the class file? Say this is the class file first. You have to import it. I put it on the widget pie. So this is the stuff. Yeah, later when we run it, you see how it looks like. You can add series of widgets to it, but that's not the main thing. So it makes us use it on the KV file for free without importing it on the KV file again. So something like that. Let's get back to business and go to login. You understand the whole point, right? Any question, drop it. Now, all we're gonna do is get to business. So up here, we are gonna say, um, uh, first of all, I'm gonna copy that shit because I don't have it in my head. So I'm gonna say, login. Yeah. And I'm gonna put some padding around it, and I'll say DP, 20 DP, right? Right? 20 DP. 20 DP is it enough? Okay, I'm going to put some spacing. Sorry, say DP, call it 20, because what we're targeting is to create something like this. All right. Okay. First of all, we're missing the login at the top. I'm going to first of all pull the MD label. MD label, say text. Uh, why use MD label? Just use label, right? Say text. Uh, Login, and then sorry, we are gonna bold it. True. Change that to true. Font size, we are gonna call that 18 HP. Let's see how that looks. Let's see how that looks for now. And probably we're gonna make some changes later. If I thought I removed mcard text field, blah blah blah. So what the fuck is going? Cannot import name from. So so. Oh my god. I made the worst mistake of my life. Cannot import name, blah blah blah. Okay, because probably I've imported it some time ago, right? And now you wanna fuck up with my life. So we are gonna skip something here because of what? Where are we skipping it? On the KV widgets. So I'm gonna say if module command, yeah, equals this as so, yeah. We'll say continue, right? Hey, don't do that, just continue. Let me add this. This is a correct language, right? So don't tell me it's wrong. Again, Okay, I'm gonna pause the video not to prolong the video, guys. Okay, guys, I made a real big mistake here. This is supposed to be widget. Yeah, widget pie, right? Widget pie. And this guy, yeah, that was just my mistake. Widget pie. I just did some copy and paste bullshit. Probably should work. Yeah, so our login, yeah, it's tiny and very, very tiny. Call it, or maybe let's use them the label. I just don't like changing the colors. And page align, center, color, 1,1,1,1, and I'm gonna say font style. I forgot to change this to orientation vertical. Vertical, right? Yeah, vertical. Now we are gonna say something like H4. Let's see how H4 looks like. Okay, H4 is really good for what we want. Then we want to push this guy a little bit up, right? On the box layout, when the orientation is okay, you can push it up. You can push it up. So I'm gonna create a box layout here, and we're gonna have a two of these card m card text field, right? We're gonna have two of them. See how it looks. Now we are going to change the orientation to vertical. Spacing DP, call it 20. Yeah, then we are going to go ahead and change the radius, call it DP 30, DP 30. Oh, sorry, I forgot to call this guy radius. Yeah. Okay, it's a little bit of bubble one. And what's next? We are really going to push this up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Uh, Position this guy. Pose hint. Uh, Top one. Do the same for this guy too. That should work. Oh, tab doesn't work in box layout. I'm gonna quickly change the box layout. Let me change the color and see the height of this. I don't really know. Okay, this we are now on a vertical. Sorry, we are now on a vertical. We can just move up. What we can actually do is to add some padding. Add some padding. I'm going to add 20 dp to bring it closer a little bit. Add dp on the top. Do we have any? Okay, let's just add a 10 dp pattern there. By the left, we just have a dp 20 there. At the bottom, we have dp, call it 50. Let's see if that comes up a little bit, because that's what we want. Yeah, it comes up a little bit. And is it close to what we want? Oh, want that to go up a little bit too. Up a little bit. Yeah. I want it to go up a little bit. And first of all, we are going to change the size hint y of this guy and call it 0.5. Yeah, this one went up. And let's increase this to 100, not 1,800. See, okay, it's actually where we want it to be. What about the spacing? Is it actually what we wanted the spacing to be? A little bit close to what we want the spacing to be. So what we are gonna do right now is to just touch the spacing a little bit to 25, a little bit to 25, and voila, here in, and login at the top. Where is the time? Where is the time? Where is the time, guys? 10. Okay, we have 5 minutes more to go. Uh, Okay, now we're going to add something like icon left, right? Because it has some icon. And I'm gonna put account there, account left, account right. Well, please don't crash, please, I beg you, in the name of God. Yeah, really worked. Click that. Okay, it's clicking. Yeah, icon left. Yeah, what are we gonna call this one? Lock. Is it padlock or lock? Key lock. Okay. Yeah. Outline. Both are outline. We would like to make these guys outline and reduce their color to that color to um log outline, right? And now you can also use your custom icons. If you have a TTF file icon, you can place it here because I coded this mcat text field to accept any external icon file count outline. So I'm just using kbm these icons to do all of this. So icon left, then we are going to say icon left color. We are going to say 0, 0, 0 or app.theme cls.disabled hint text color, right? Something like that. Okay, yeah, that's the color I'm looking for. And the same goes to this guy. Yeah, so here we are. And we're gonna put a hint text, password, and email, right? Hint text, password, sorry, no, email. I'll say enter, no, just email. Email is enough. And let's use a capital letter there. And say hint text here, say password, right? So this is it. Now, what is remaining of our image? We are going to add this login button here, this login button. It seems like there is no much space for it to enter, at least. Is there a space for it to enter? Uh, okay. We're going to reduce the font size of this to see if we can accommodate that. Font size, I'm going to call that uh, what's the actual font size? Control F, font size equals 18 sp. Oh, that no, please go back 15. Are you mad? 18 sp. Are we if it is my country, I will say an Elizabeth. Can you understand? Oh, okay, okay, we have to remove this guy, and then we run this. 18 sp is very big, very huge, because I was surprised. Yeah, this is a little bit better because our text field was a lot huge, and So what's next? What's next is that we're going to check our timer is 15. All right, guys. On the next video, we are going to add that button bar. I don't know what color is gonna be. Maybe a little bit right lead. Yeah, a little bit lighter. It should be perfect. Something light red. But for this video, we are finishing the series of the login page today. So, see you on the next video today, guys.